Coolie novel written by Mulk Raj Anand. Firstly, Coolie novel describes the human relationships, how it defines the human relationships. Firstly, it shows you as a servant and master relationships, then it shows you as a ruler and ruled relationships, then it comes as a relationship between equals, then it shows you as a comradeship and humanity, then it also shows you as a friendship, Hindu-Muslim relationship. All these relationships will going to be seen in the Coolie novel. Firstly, there is a writer C.D. Narasimha. What that person said, a Coolie novel is a human centrality. Means, according to him, other creatives had dealt with the problems of human relationships, but this novel shows you the relationships between the persons. And moreover, this novel also shows you the relations with the people who are happy despite poverty. Even they are poor, but still they are happy. This novel defines that thing. And you will also going to be watch some bad relations too. But poverty and selfishness in this novel comes in the way that it does not allow the happiness. From the very beginning of this novel, we met the town of Shamnagar and Chotu Babu. These are the person, Chotu Babu, and with the other children's means of monkey dance. They are doing the monkey dance. You will going to be watch in this novel. You are going to be listening it. And he also desired to be as Sahib Loves. Man and his life seems to be studied through this novel, and the kind of relationships regarding humans seems to be exploited at the very rapid phase. Servant and master relationship describes as a study where you will learn as the relationship may be harsh and cruel. And it also defines the sympathetic mood on a mutual level. And the person like Babu Nathuram, Munnu is treated over there as very cruelty. His life becomes hell over there, and BBG works, tries to be give work to him. She always tried that Munnu do the all household works, and that things looks very bad, and her tongue was very harsh with Munnu, and he is beaten up very badly, and the punishment which comes out of all the proportions due to that faults. And the servant and master relationships have been studied through the relationships of Munnu with Prabha, Dyal and his wife Parvati. These are the another characters in this novel, Coolie novel. This treatment is sharp contrast with the treatment that comes to him in the house of Babu Nathuram. Then this novel defines the second another relationships as a rural and ruled relationship. Means the relationship between the ruler and the ruled, the colonialist and the colonized. Means the person who lives in a colony and with the person who lives in a Babu Nathuram house. And it is another form of the master-servant relationship. Those who are proud and arrogant, those who ruled over there lose all the sense of self-respect and degenerate in crime and sycophants. Moreover, when Munnu was beaten up by Babu Nathuram's wife, he ran away from the house and he went to the railway station, and at that time he works as a coolie over there, and even he met English inspector, a police, and that describes a symbol of British cruelty rather than the British justice. Who has a Prabha mercilessly caned. And there is also an Englishman who slaps Munnu because he had dared to look at his face. There is an Englishman who slaps Munnu just because he was continuously looking at his face, and that person doesn't like at all. That's why he gave a tight slap to Munnu. Then the relationship between equals means he now goes to show the relationship between the equals, and there are more than equals in the poor. Means the person who are poor are still poor, because some of them are very hard and some of them are very light. And that novel shows sometimes a good coordination between them and sometimes not. As stated by Philip Henson, there is a man Philip, what he said about Coolie novel. Coolie takes up into the world of the commandship of a man for exists only among a poorest people. And he said that the Coolie shows you the world where only a things done by the poor people and with nothing to be hoped for. Their common humanity is all they possess. Only the humanity things can be done, can be shown with that person's. The relationship between the Prabha at still a coolie and the Munnu, the other factory employees, is a humane. Means Prabha is very polite with Munnu, and even the factory workers who works in a factory also sometimes do such a thing that comes as a good nature of that humans. And even on the other hand, we have noticed the Ganpat, the frustrated son, at once went to be broker. The total mouse and the police, there was another characters again as a total mouse, and that shows the symbolism of the British opposition and the British justice. That shows the symbols of the British oppressions and the British justice. There is an equal relationship between the persons, means some of them are poor, some of them belongs to a rich family and Englishmen's people, but sometimes their relation shows you the equal humanity and sometimes the harsh cruelty. And commandship and humanity, however, is not merely a competition amongst the poor, but also is a humanity and commandship. The elephant driver who befriends with Munnu and Hari in inborn sympathy for others, fears to be rich, and his humanity comes closer to Prabha. There is a man, Hari, his sympathy towards the other persons was very good, and sometimes his closeness comes to the Prabha. Then there is Mohan, another character, but that person described a rickshaw puller who befriends with Munnu during the Shimla phase of his career. When Munnu was in Shimla, he shows his sympathy towards him, and much more important is Ratan, the wrestler coolie, says throws cow's cheat, Ratan's heartiness. Mulk Raj Anand, the writer, had tried to show in him the idle workers who braves his master for what he considered it to be his rights, and he is also used to show the compulsions and the prevails amongst the very poor. Means कि Mulkraj Anand had tried to show the things that shows the humanity, where the person works as a rickshaw, as they worked as a coolie, where every person does work and shows the relationship with the humanity. That thing describes in this novel by Mulkraj Anand. Friendship, later on friendship shown in this novel as by the writer, and Ratan takes a boy to a house of ill repute because Munnu was badly beaten up by the persons in that house, and when he ran away, and the day comes when he becomes very ill, and at that time Ratan takes that boy with her and commenting to the friendship between the two, and that thing comments the friendship, that shows the friendship between the two persons. And the Anand Raj Mulk remarks the circumstances of their lives cemented the bond in a way which was unique. For brother lifelessness as only a compassion for the bitterness on this factory. Means sometimes in the factory, persons over there becomes very harsh, sometimes not, and the kinds of circumstances comes out during that period, and the relationship bond between the Ratan and Munnu was very unique, was very different, and the relationship between the children was also too very different. He has been explored by the novelist. That relationship with the children was also explored by the novelist Mulkraj Anand's novel, by the novelist Mulkraj Anand. And Anand also does not glorify children. Nathusram's daughter Shaila seems to be pushes Munnu away when he pronounces all the faults like a monkey entertain her, and that thing also shows the harsh reality, and the kind of a things also shows where Shaila was playing with Munnu and she tries to keep away from her, because at that time Munnu was just making a fun, and he was just wants to show that Shaila must laugh with his mocking dance, but she doesn't like his dance, and she is trying to push away Munnu because of that act. And the boy servant who worked in the neighborhood at Shamnagar pick up the quarrel, beat Munnu, and now at the last in this novel shows as a Hindu-Muslim relationships, how the relationship between the Hindu-Muslims communal rights, communal relationship that shows, and the misery they cause to be the poor and also being brought up into the light. The Hindu relationship shows the communal relationships with the poor and the Britishers, etc. And according to the another writer's rules, in Anglo-Indian fiction, Coolie is perhaps the first novel to touch this subject, foreshadows the murderous rights, and that fuels the partitioning of the Indian Act in 1947. What this writer says, that Coolie was the first novel that shows you every kind of a face relationships. Means it shows you the humanity, it shows you the harsh reality, it shows you the relationship between the children, with the young ones, with the friendship, etc. And this novel touches The subject. This novel shows you the subject when the partition seems to be taken place, when the partition had been done. That thing remembers you a lot in this novel when the partition seems to be taken in the year 1947. That thing touches a lot in this novel. This novel reminds you that thing, that partition comes up in your mind when you are reading this novel. And as Hindu and Muslims runs wild in the streets with the sticks and knives, etc., killing and shouting each other, that thing reminds of you. That thing comes in your mind whenever you read this novel. This is the novel that was written by Mulk Raj Anand, and the kind of relationships shown in this novel. And as a conclusion, I would like to say that in this novel, Anand has made a comparison study of the various kinds of human relationships, and that seems to be contributed to our understanding of a man and the whole nation. That's it.